Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a Funfetti no-bake cheesecake. I don't know if you guys like cheesecake or if you like the Funfetti birthday cake, but this is the best of both worlds in one. And I'm going to show you how to do it, and the ingredients are going to be 1 gram cracker pie crust, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a cup of sugar, a softened block of cream cheese, 1 cup of the Funfetti baking mix, cupcake, cake mix, however you want to call it, and some sprinkles for the top. And that's the ingredients in their entirety. And the first thing I'm going to do is whip up the heavy whipping cream. So I've got my 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream in my mixing bowl, and I'm just going to beat it until it gets soft peaks. Okay, now my whipping cream is ready. It took about 3 to 4 minutes to get it to the right consistency. You can see it's whipped cream now. So the next step is to add the softened cream cheese and the sugar. Put those in there. And we're just going to beat them also together in the next step. Okay, the cream cheese and the sugar are blended in with the whipping cream, and the last step of this mixture is to put 1 cup of the Funfetti cake mix into the mix here in the bowl and mix it thoroughly together, which I'm about to do and show you what it looks like. Now I've got the Funfetti mix in here. You could probably see some of the sprinkles inside. I'm gonna taste this. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this mix into my pie crust and smooth it down on top and put some sprinkles. And here's what it looks like after I transferred it and put the sprinkles on. The last step is to cover it with plastic wrap, or if your pie crust came with a lid, put the lid on and refrigerate it for 4 to 6 hours and serve. I'll be showing you guys what it looks like after it's set up when I have a piece for dessert. So here it is, nice and chilled, and I'm gonna get me some. Look at that. Mmm. It is so good. So good. Gosh, you gotta try this. It's like the perfect mixture of birthday cake flavor and cheesecake. Mmm. Try this out, guys. I know you're gonna love it. If you like the video, please click that like button. Add the video to your watch later if you want to save the recipe. And thanks again for watching. Much love. Catch you on the next one.